I'm Tammy Jones, Family and Consumer Science Educator with OSU Extension Pike County. I want to invite you and anyone that may be interested to come out to a program that I will be hosting at the Waverly Library on Wednesday, November the 20th at 1 p.m. I'm going to be bringing in my air fryer, and we're going to talk about easy, healthy ways to use the air fryer compared to maybe deep frying. So some of your same recipes that you may currently deep fry, this might be an opportunity to see how you could use them in a new, fresh approach to actually frying with the air fryer. I'll actually be preparing a recipe on site that day. Again, this is going to be held on Wednesday, November the 20th at 1 p.m. at the Waverly Library. I invite you to come out, watch the food demo that I'm actually going to be making there in front of you during the time, and then you'll actually get to taste that, as well as take home some other recipes that you might try in an air fryer. And this is a great opportunity if you don't own an air fryer, you've heard about it, or you've seen recipes and thought, I wonder if I would use that, or how does that work? Come out and see how easy and simple it is to use the air fryer. What I love about it, it's very portable, so I'm able to bring it to the library and cook right there during the 45-minute session for those in attendance. It is free and open to the public on Wednesday, November the 20th at 1 p.m. in the Waverly Library. I invite you to come out to my air fryer program and enjoy watching me create a recipe in front of you, as well as you get to sample and try it. So please share with anyone that you may know be interested, and I look forward to seeing you on November the 20th.